What is a clinical trial? A clinical trial is a research study that compares medical treatments to see if one works better than another for a certain disease. People volunteer to be in a clinical trial. For some people with lung disease, being part of a clinical trial may offer hope for improved health. Doctors at the Temple Lung Center are always looking for new ways to treat lung diseases. You can learn more about these studies by visiting the clinical trials section of our website. Clinical trials test new drugs, devices, surgeries, or other types of treatments. There are different types of clinical trials. Interventional trials are trials in which you receive a treatment, a medication, a device, or a way to cause a change in behavior. Observational trials collect information about the medical care that you're receiving and how it affects your disease over time. Our staff are available to answer your questions and concerns and help you throughout the decision-making process. All clinical trials require informed consent. Informed consent is the process of making sure you know what may happen to you during the clinical trial. It starts with the first conversation we have with you about a research study. Our research staff will review the informed consent with you. This document goes over the details of the study procedures and potential risks and benefits of the trial. After reviewing the consent form and asking any questions you have about the study, you'll then sign the informed consent document. What's important to keep in mind is that throughout the whole process, you make the decision about being a part of a clinical trial. If you decide to stop participating in the trial, be assured you will still be able to see your doctors at the Temple Lung Center. There are several reasons that people take part in a clinical trial, including having access to potential new treatments before they are widely available and helping others by being part of the development of new treatments for lung diseases. Our doctors take part in dozens of clinical trials and they frequently present the results of trials at national conferences. If you have a respiratory condition like asthma, COPD, pulmonary fibrosis, pulmonary hypertension, lung cancer, or other conditions, you may wish to consider being a participant in a clinical trial and help us make these diseases a thing of the past. To find out more about Temple Lung Center clinical trials, please call 215-707-1359.